let's do the Mekons. Where Were You? It's a beginner song, I think, but gotta know how to play it right. Right? I think there's two guitars on there, but the main guitar is just going to E, sliding into A, or you could also take your E finger and then hammer around. That might make it easier to get back into the E. I think you gotta listen to the recording. It's not all the time they do that. Sometimes at the end, there's another guitar going. That's just playing the E up here with the shape of an A at the 9th fret, kind of sliding into it. And when that second guitar is playing, the first guitar is just going. All right, so that's the main riff. Waiting in the line, where were you? When I was trying to buy a drink, where were you? So that little reset or turnaround is D, A, it's kind of a weird guitar sound. It's like clean, but then there's a distortion that is in the delay, but you can just play it with a light distortion. And I was waiting for you from the distance. Do you see me? Mekons. It's a cool song. Good lyrics. All right, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye.